Mitch and Ty are proud builders that want their homes as energy efficient as possible. The best way to do that is to stop air leakage. Mitch relies on his crew and subcontractors to seal the home to try to get to code minimum. Because air sealing is difficult and they don't know the end result, they have to spend more money on a large heating system, insulation, or triple pane windows. Failing to meet their air tightness goal means delays and more unexpected costs. Ty did his research and called Island AeroBarrier, specialists in reducing air leakage. Ty told AeroBarrier how tight he wanted the home to be so that he could plan everything out, saving on labor, materials, and by installing a smaller heating system. Island AeroBarrier pressurizes and seals the home with a Green Guard Gold certified sealant. The escaping air carries the sealant and seals the gaps from a staple hole up to a ½ inch. The process was completely computerized, and in only a few hours, the home was at passive level tightness. He was able to save money installing a smaller heating system and complete the home faster. We all know Ty made the right choice by using Island AeroBarrier to seal his home. His clients now have the peace of mind that outside pollutants, odors, and even sounds don't stand a chance, and they're saving money on their utility bills every month. Get guaranteed results. Contact Island AeroBarrier for more information.